Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Chase app not loading transaction error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue that you're having, first what you can do is simply close the app. Once you are inside the app, what you need to do is swipe up and then leave it in the middle of the screen, which lets you view the recent apps. Then all you gotta do is close the Chase Bank app completely by swiping it up, and that will close the app. Then once done, simply reopen the app and check to see if it works or not. Then if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is restart your phone. To do it, simply press the volume blocker power button and the power button together, and that will lead you to the power off slider right here. Simply slide it to turn off your phone, and then once again press the power button to open up your phone, which restarts your phone. If that still doesn't work, then what you can do is simply check your internet connection. To do it, swipe up from your screen to pull up your notification bar, and then simply switch the Wi-Fi connection by tapping on the Wi-Fi to the next network. If that doesn't work, simply switch it to the mobile data by turning it on, and then open YouTube to make sure the internet connection is working properly. And you can also update the app as well, as sometimes the issues are caused by the older version as well. So to do it, simply head over and open up your app store, then on the search bar type in Chase, and then once the search user loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. If it needs an update, simply tap on update right here, and then once it has been updated, all you gotta do is open up the app, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.